Let's take a look at how the payment process works from the user's side, what they see, and which steps they need to follow. We'll use an Inqud's branded payment page with redirection as an example. Suppose a user needs to pay $99 for a service. A payment form appears where they need to choose the currency. The available currencies are pre-configured in the project settings. Let's say the user selects USDT. Next, the system prompts them to select a network. For example, Tron. After clicking the Pay button, a unique payment address is generated. The user sees the exact amount, the wallet address, and a QR code for convenience. Important points. The payment must be made in a single transaction. The amount must exactly match the specified amount. A timer shows how much time is left to complete the payment. Once time runs out, the address becomes invalid. When the user sends the correct amount, the system assigns a success status once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. The funds are credited to your account. If auto-conversion is enabled, the funds are converted into the currency specified in your settings. If notifications are enabled, the system sends a confirmation. On the interface, the user sees a success status, the credited amount, and other transaction details. Now, let's look at a case where the user sends an amount different from what was requested. The steps for selecting currency and network are the same, but the transferred amount is either less or more than required. In both cases, the checkout and request receive a conflict status. The system also sends a webhook notification. The funds are still credited to your account, but the conflict status indicates a mismatch. You have two options. Credit the received amount to the user's balance. Contact the user to resolve the issue. The users will be notified through the interface. If they underpay, the status shows underpaid. If they overpay, it shows overpaid. Now let's consider the scenario where the user fails to complete the payment within the allotted time. As before, they select the amount, currency, and network. System generates a payment address. As the timer nears zero, a warning appears. Once the time is up, the address is deactivated and the order receives a timeout status.